Ms. Naima Halim, and basically I'm an electrical engineer by profession, or born and brought up in Lahore. I was working in Lesco Wabda. I joined the Lahore University of Management Sciences, from where I did my MBA, और उसके बाद rest is history. I also have a degree in Bachelor's in Islamic Studies with specialization in education, because education is my another passion, and especially in the realm of positive education for kids. In 2014, I started a weekend Islamic school here in Lahore, Pakistan, where the focus was to impart Islamic education with the fundamentals of Islam, with a focus on knowledge and manners, ilm and akhlaq. So basically, this is my story. And I lost my father in 1984. And back then, in 1984, like cancer was something very unheard of, and especially in Pakistan. When I was living in Behriya town, there's a society, Sukhchand Gardens, right across Behriya town. I was living there, and one morning I came to know that our neighbors, next door neighbors, son, he was like almost 16 years old. He died of lymphoma, and that was really shocking for me. Because I had been seeing the boy running around here and there, and I don't want to make any conclusions here because I'm not specialist. I'm not issuing any anti-cancer fatwa here, but there was a factory right behind their house, and the factory used to billow black smoke every day, 24/7, and the smoke, it spread like a carpet, a thick black carpet in their backyard, because their house was right in front of the factory. And you know, at times the smoke used to come in our house as well. But the good news is that I no longer live there. I've moved. But this young boy's death really moved me, and I then started on my research that there is some connection. There has to be some connection between our changing lifestyles and the sudden increase in these autoimmune diseases around us. So this really prompted me to start working on a brand that produces natural and toxic-free skincare and household products. So this was all about me and my small company. And the first question in the quiz was, define toxicity. What is a toxin? A poison of plant or animal origin, especially one produced by or derived from microorganisms and acting as an antigen in the body. Option B, a poison of animal origin, especially one produced by or derived from microorganisms and acting as an antigen in the body. Option C, a poison of plant or animal or human origin, especially one produced by or derived from microorganisms and acting as an antigen in the body. Option D, all of the above, and option E, none of the above. Acting as basically, what is an antigen? मैं आपको explain कर देती हूँ. Antigen is basically a toxin. Anything that your body doesn't accept. That's toxic. That's toxic. Okay. But what is the origin? What hota kya hai toxic? Toxin hota kya? Right. So basically the simple definition is that any poisonous thing, because our body is like Allah Ta'ala has made our bodies pure. So anything that is a poison, our bodies don't accept. So let's first start with toxicity in food, because you know, this is the basic thing. Like agar cancer bhi hai ya koi bhi aur autoimmune disease hai, I personally believe, and I'm sure most of you would agree with me, that हम food से बहुत कुछ control कर सकते हैं. You know, even like if you take the example of exercise, कि हम कहते हैं कि जी you weight lose कि आपने weight lose करना है तो आप you do exercise, but according to research, only 30% of the weight is lost due to exercise. 70% depends on the food that you eat. And personally, मैं तो experience कर चुकी हूँ, because of kids, I don't find time to exercise apart from some light exercise up and down stairs, but you know, not a proper gym. And I've like after the birth of my daughter, I've lost tremendous amount of weight just by controlling food. So ये तो मेरी personal example है, and I'm sure बहुत से लोगों की होंगी. तो ये है कि food is, they say food is medicine. Okay. So अब toxicity जो food में है, I'm sure all of you would be knowing कि बहुत से जैसे ये MSG है, और नाइट्राइट्स हैं, देन एस्पार्टेम है, और आप लोग कुछ ऐड करें बिकॉज ये मैं लिंक ओपन करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, इट्स ओपनिंग. सो लाइक इंटरनेट इज फ्लडेड विद सच रिसोर्सेज. सो माई लाइक पॉइंट वॉज नॉट टू bombard you with technical terminologies. Basically the idea behind this general talk was to have an open-ended discussion, because we all are like-minded people. That's why you're all here. So एक discussion मैं चाह रही थी कि एक हो, ताकि we share our ideas and then we collectively come to a conclusion. Because हमें पता तो बहुत कुछ होता है. अब ये मैं आपको जैसे मैं बताऊँ, MSG, food से, और ये जो आते हैं जो हमारी जो pesticides हैं on our fruits and vegetables. इसके अलावा contaminated water है, and the most important sugar, जो मुझे पहले mention करना चाहिए था, जो slow poison है. हाँ, मोड्स ऑफ कुकिंग भी है जो नॉन स्टिक है. हम मतलब कि ये बेसिकली यही है सारा, कि जिस तरह आपने बात की कि वी हैव क्या से कहते हैं कि हम वी हैव लॉस्ट कनेक्शन विद आवर सोर्स. इनविजिबल तो बहुत कुछ हम एनवायरनमेंट से कैच कर रहे हैं. जो पेस्टिसाइड्स हो गए, और बाकी ये जो हैं, जो हार्मोन्स हैं, जो बोवाइन ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स जो हम ये देते हैं, ये हैं बहुत मतलब ये डेडली. और इसके अलावा मतलब ये चिकन को भी और इसको भी, और बाकी ये जो ये है आपका BPA, जो प्लास्टिक्स और जो कैंड, जो प्रोसेस फूड की भी हम बात कर रहे थे, तो मतलब दिस इज ऑल पॉइजन. एंड दिस थिंग didn't exist back in the 1950s and 1960s. This processed food industry it got its boom in 10-15 years. न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू निकल जाती है.
चीजें हैं वो आप जरूरत से ज्यादा की चीजें ले रहे हैं,
राइट,
वो जमा होती जाती हैं आपकी बॉडी के अंदर.
सही.
वो फिर जमा होकर जो है ना वो यूज नहीं हो सकती हैं, बॉडी से प्रोसेस होकर निकल नहीं सकती हैं, तो वो फिर जमा होकर टॉक्सिक
बन जाती हैं. बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल सही. एंड हेयर लाइक प्योरिटी की बात हमने की और कनेक्टिंग टू द सोर्सेज की बात की, तो व्हाट बेटर देन द होली कुरान. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू कोट अ वर्स फ्रॉम द होली कुरान. या अय्युहल्लज़ीना या अय्युहन्नासु कुलू मिम्मा फिल अर्दी हलालन तय्यबन वला तत्तबिउ खुतुवातिश शैतान इन्नहु लकुम अदुव्वुम मुबीन. O mankind, eat from whatever is on earth that is lawful and good, and do not follow the footsteps of Satan. Indeed, he is to you a clear enemy. And I would like to explain Arabic as well. Allah Ta'ala has used this verb kulu. Basically, जो Arabic language है, जिस तरह से कोई भी language है, it is composed of 3 verbs: past, present and कमांड फॉर्म है अरबिक में. थोड़ा इंग्लिश में फ्यूचर होती है, तो अरबिक में पास्ट, प्रेजेंट एंड कमांड फॉर्म है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने अल्लाह ताला ने यूज किया है कुलू. कुलू इज द कमांड फॉर्म फॉर द वर्ब आकुल, विच मीन्स टू ईट. सो एक्चुअली इन दिस वर्स, इट्स फ्रॉम सूरह बकरा चैप्टर नंबर 2 वर्स नंबर 16. अल्लाह ताला इज कमांडिंग. और आपको पता है जब अल्लाह ताला एक चीज कमांड करते हैं तो उसका मतलब है कि वो करना इज कंपल्सरी और वो ना करना इज sinful. Because अल्लाह ताला ने जब एक चीज कह दी कि ये करना है, he is commanding you, तो फिर वो उसको नहीं करना तो वो हमारे लिए that is not good for us, हमारे फायदे के लिए. So कुलू, eat from whatever is in the earth halalan tayyiban, pure foods. तो प्योर फूड्स बहुत जरूरी हैं. वला तत्तबिउ भी, डोंट फॉलो द फुटस्टेप्स ऑफ सेटन इन्नहु लकुम अदुव्वुम मुबीन, ही इज योर क्लियर एनिमी. सो बेसिकली टॉक्सिसिटी एंड प्योरिटी, इनका इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप है. प्योर है, टॉक्सिसिटी है, इनका देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो मैच. सो इफ यू लाइक द मोर यू गो टूवर्ड्स योर सोर्सेज, प्योरिटी की तरफ जितना आप जाएंगे, यू विल इवेंचुअली गो अवे फ्रॉम टॉक्सिसिटी. इट्स दैट सिंपल. एंड दिस ब्रिंग्स मी टू माई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो हमने डिस्कस करना था, वाटर टॉक्सिक. तो आप उसको एक्सप्लेन ये कर रहे थे. सॉरी, आप नाम बताएं अपना. मोहसिन ने भी जो बताया कि even milk and water if taken out of proportion it becomes toxic. That is the reason why I mentioned in the first place कि I was emphasizing on pure water. अब this is pure water. लेकिन today we are going to identify, and I'm sure most of you already know कि how many ways this water can become toxic. आप बताएं. Cold water. Yes, cold water is toxic. Okay. Kale things, because many people don't eat from outside. I've seen many mothers कि हम अपने बच्चों को बाहर से खाना नहीं खिलाते. वी मेक हेल्दी फूड. अब वो हेल्दी फूड की डेफिनेशन अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या होती है कि वी डोंट बाय एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द बेकरी, वी बेक एट होम, but we are using white flour to bake cakes at home. So is it healthy? I don't call it healthy, I'm sorry. क्योंकि आप या तो आप you go back to the basics. I've eaten a chocolate cake made out of atta, whole wheat flour, and my kids loved it. ठीक है, it's not as delicious as white flour, but you have to make a choice. So eating at home and not doing things the proper way doesn't make it healthy. So एक तो आपने बताया कि जो है ठंडा पानी, अगर the way we consume water, एक उन्होंने I basically want to emphasize on the way we are taking water. एक तो इन्होंने ये बता दिया, लेकिन टाइमिंग्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हम जो है खाने से पहले और खाने के कितनी देर बाद, अगर आप जल्दी में पीते हैं इन अ गल्प, you drink it in a gulp, especially जब हम रोज़ों में करते हैं कि when we एकदम से we drink 3-4 glasses of water, that is harmful. So I think one of the reasons is, the medical reasons for that, you sit and you relax and you take it in sips, 3 sips. Why it's like not advisable to have water with food? Because the body needs time to take it all in, interferes in the digestion. Yeah, so basically so water, like it can become toxic, right? Okay, so the question number 5 was who is more susceptible to cancer, adults or children? Yeah, you're right in a sense, but if you compare between adults and children, so according to research, children are more susceptible. और जो reason उन्होंने बताया, he's 100% correct, और उसका reason यही है कि क्योंकि उनकी बॉडी ग्रो हो रही होती है. अच्छा, वो ग्रोथ का कैंसर के साथ क्या लिंक है? कैन एनीबडी आंसर दैट? व्हाट इज कैंसर? फिर इसका आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा. व्हाट इज कैंसर? आई एम सॉरी, आई जस्ट ओवरलुक दैट क्वेश्चन. या, abnormal cells. Okay, anybody with some other? Yeah, I think it started from America basically. Pakistan is still a much better place to live in. In 2007, I was there, and I was there home all day watching TV, and throughout their antidepressants or टांग में दर्द, बाजू में दर्द, literally there was a medicine for everything. पाकिस्तान का इशू और है. Pakistan's issue has got to do with awareness as well, because majority of the public is not aware here. हाँ, डॉक्टर्स को खुद भी पता, ये भी it's a big question. They're actually promoting, one time you go, they give you paracetamol, the next time they give you Calpol or कोई और brand. It is exactly, it's paracetamol, but next time they go a different kids pain fever. It comes back with a strong force because it wasn't healed in the first process. ये reason है जी.